Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for the affiliate program for Home Depot. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is jump into homedepot.com. Okay, and what you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll find a bit of a menu here. Okay, so we'll see support. And as you're going down, you'll see support, then resources, then about us. What you want to look for is under about us, the affiliate program. So go ahead and open that up. On this page, you'll see you can get access to their partnership. You can also see here that there is the Home Depot affiliate program and then the installation program. Of course, we're looking for the affiliate program. Go ahead and click on Get Started. And here, it says you're going to drive traffic, earn cash, and grow your business. So go ahead and click on Sign Up. Here you'll see all the contract terms. So you can scroll through this and just double check what it's all about. Make sure that you're familiar. And then right at the bottom, you'll see a box that says, I have read and accepted the Home Depot's offer. Go ahead and click on Continue. Now you're going to go ahead and sign up. All right. And this is to Impact. Now, Impact is an affiliate website that manages other companies' affiliate programs. Okay, so the Home Depot's affiliate program is managed by Impact. And if you've already got an Impact account, you can sign into Impact and you can manage a bunch of affiliate programs right there from one dashboard. So go ahead and choose your method to sign in. You'll be redirected to this page after you have signed in or signed up. And here you would have to categorize your business between social influencer, content or reviews, loyalty rewards, deals and coupons, emails and newsletters, search comparison content, networking, technology solutions, or cross-audience monetization. Choose what is best appropriate for you and click on Continue. Choose a method that you'll use to promote. So you can add a website, social, links, a mobile app, podcast, email, or a newsletter, or just add offline. Whichever you choose, go ahead and click on Continue. Here you are going to just add some information about yourself. So if you're an individual, if you're a company, and then your account display name, your region, mailing address, time zone, and currency. And again, make sure that you check in the box and click on Submit. Now, once you've added all of that information, you'll actually see this is your dashboard and you can actually manage all of your affiliate links right from here, including your Home Depot. So you're just going to go down and look for it over here and you can then use that when you are finding your links and managing everything that has to do with your Home Depot affiliate program.